Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now, let's start this video. Before that, we completed 500 subscribers. We did it like a family, from the first video to now. This is the journey of being amazing, and it's all because of you. 500 subscribers makes good sense, like it's not just a number, it's 500 people. I have been, you have come, you have laughed, you have given negative comments, all of this, all of it. Finally, we reached 500 subscribers. 500 subscribers is the 50th video. In this 50th video, we are going to do all models of physics, applied physics for the tribal stream. I'm going to upload before going to that. Everyone, please just subscribe, like, and comment for 500 subscribers. I have completed it, you can congratulate me if you're doing to do so. Before going to the video, guys, please don't just watch and go. Videos also please like if you like the videos. For me, some motivation I will get, and for the next videos. Also, just subscribe. So many people are not subscribing, 90% are not subscribing. They watch and they go, so subscribe guys. This is just the beginning, and I cannot fight without sharing your journey with all of you. Let's get into the video. Before getting to the video, so if you're ready to get back on track, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Let's mix studying something we actually look forward to. Model 2, we're going to the Model 2 important questions. Okay, in Model 2, in the fourth question, welcome, don't write a third one, you write as a fourth one. In fourth, you can get two questions, it diverts into two subparts. Okay, in fourth A is diverted into two subparts. There are the classes, most equations, and classify and explain type on type 2. In those two questions, you can get equal except one question, at least why? Because in this model, these are the more important questions. After that, we are going to part B, write in part B, explain BCS theory and superconductivity. Also, in B, it diverts into three subparts. Okay, BCS theory is one of them, and write a short note on Maxwell's vehicles. Maxwell's vehicles, you just write in your own words, okay? Don't stick to the notes. Maxwell's vehicles are more Japanese. You can see some videos, I'll be pinning in the description, you can check out the videos, it will be more easy. Don't stick to notes, write as your own, marks will give 100%. Next, the third one, explain dielectric polarization. This is also one of the questions. And in 3, in that describe the different polarization mechanisms. Also, is there in explain dielectric polarization and polarization mechanisms? Also, is there discuss the variations of Fermi factor temperature energy? In this, in B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are there. Not 5 questions in third one, direct on dielectric concept, there we 2 questions can ask. They can ask 2 questions on the basis of these 2 questions are Fermi energy temperature and also polarization mechanisms. And last but not least, numericals. We will talk about the numericals. Before going to the numericals, I think the concept is clear in this model too. In model 2, 4th A, you should write okay one of the derivations and types and BCS theory and short out Maxwell's explain the dielectric polarization and polarization mechanism. This numericals. Let's discuss the numericals.
In numerical and quantum free electrons of metals on the basis of you can get the one questions. CSC stream also you can watch this video for only the numericals. On this concept the all problems will be asked. You just before doing the problems just prefer the concept. You want to know the concept. Let's see the numericals. Numericals are very easy. We should apply the formula and calculate it. That's it. Let's see. The numericals is not short. Numericals are more easy. You can first do the numericals. You can check out the numericals. They are applying only the formula and 2-3 formulas. After that solving, that's it. Numericals are easy. Dielectric properties on the basis also. Okay, this more easy. Yeah, in exam don't forget to write an given. For given also marks is also allocated. Marks will be allotted for the given also. Don't miss to write a given also. See, given means see, given ER is equals to see 1.008, like that. Given you can write. These all are the numericals. I think 8 numericals are there. Sorry, 6 numericals are there. In this 6 you can get at least one numerical for tomorrow's exam. All are same, means similar, different numbers, but process is same. Now you can all check out the answers of module 2. Answers are given. Type 1, type 2 semiconductors. All the answers of this. In type 2 mainly diagram is more important. You should write all diagrams more important. Diagram is more important. After that, 3 to 4 steps is enough. After that, you should write an example, something example you should write. That's it for that question. And derive the classes most equations. This is the derivation. You should learn everything. Fermi energy level. These also you should learn everything. Next, construction of mega. I will upload one video. Don't worry. Don't see about this and all. Waste of time. You can refer this diagram. Uh, if you learn to read this, you can read this also. This also easy. Electron theory, energy also. This also easy questions. BCS theory. Yeah, you learned in I think 12th and first sem in chemistry also you learned BCS theory. This is moving electrons. If the electrons moves, holes will move, electrons will occur. Like that process will be always will be circulating, left to right, right to left. I think was studied JEE, they are know the this topic. Let's go to the next model. Next model 3.
After Model 2, answers, questions, and numericals. After that, let's go into Model 3. In Model 3, basically, it's the most easiest chapter you can think. In Model 3, see, 3 subparts are divided A, B, C in A, sixth one, in a you should write as a sixth question, okay? Sixth question, don't write a fifth question, fifth question may come different questions, so you just write a sixth question. Okay, in sixth question, numerical aperture, one of the derivations is there, expression numerical aperture optical fiber. On the basis of that question, there will be one question, pakka. You can, I think, 7/6 series, I think yours 7 marks they can ask. Handshake and let's go into the second one, with a neat diagram, explain the construction and working carbon dioxide laser. Okay, carbon dioxide laser, it's a most easiest question, you have studied, from I think 12th, everyone has studied, it's most easy for who has took science. Let's go into in B, second one, this there, okay, sub-question in B, sub-question, explain the different types of ordinations and optical fibers in optical fiber. I will be provide answers also, you can see and you just hurry on all the answers. And in Model 3, these are the 3 sub-questions are there, you can choose and you should practice more, because practice makes perfect. Because, if you are right, correct answers in video, definitely give 100 marks, if right 100 marks means 20 for 20, you can get easily in this model. After that, A, B, C is O. After this, answer questions. Let's go into Model 4. In Model 4, write the 8th one questions, okay? Don't write 7th one. In Model 4, there are the ghost dimensions talks, and it's the easiest question. You can read it, it can come definitely. And in that, describe in another question. This second one, describe vector operator, explain the gradient, sorry I written 2 times gradient, divergences, and curl. This question will be in what formula book? In formula book, for this answer will be given, okay? You analyze and you just write it off. Don't read this one, which one divergences and gradient and curl. In formula book, there will be answer, and write a formula, definition, and some example, or if not example, formula that's enough, or mention it some types or applications, some mention it. Okay, after that, let's go into the part B. In part B, spelling is written wrong, it's okay. Discuss the electromagnetic wave equation using them max force equation and free space. These are most important questions, you can definitely will be asking in a tomorrow's exam, okay? All there is questions are in this 3, in Model 4, 3 questions are given, right? In 3 questions, you can accept 1 question. And let's go into the Model 4 numericals. In numericals, let's go into a video numericals. Hello guys, subscribe. Okay fine. Was not liked up to now, just like it. Let's go into the Model 5. In Model 5, you just write a 9th on question in 2A to 3 subparts A, B and C and numericals. Let's see our numericals in last. Let's see in A, in 2 parts. There are expressions of electrical conductivity in extensive and intensive semiconductors. Both they are us. This is most important question and also second one, show that Fermi level lies in the middle of the energy gap for intrinsic semiconductor. You all have studied in semiconductors. In chemistry, energy gap, along in band gap, you have everything has studied. In 12th standard studies, I think it's more easier to if you read this and all, it will be more easy. Okay, let's go to the part BB, what is the Hall effect? It's a very important question. They may ask, 100%, obtain the expressions of Hall coefficient in terms of Hall coefficient. This more important question and also in that explain the construction and working of photodiode and mention its applications. This is more important. Sorry, I wrote 2 times but it's okay. In this 4 questions, is that in 4 questions you can answer 2 questions. It's definitely you can get 4 marks easily. And let's go into numericals of Model 5. Last but not least, let's go, back quote.
Now let's see the numericals of semiconductors of Model Y. Let's see. Who are not all now subscribed, just subscribe and comment in 500 subscribers are completed. So let's go into the video. Semiconductors, on the basis of semiconductors construction, They will ask me same numericals. You guys can read this. Or not subscribed till now, just subscribe for more videos. And also like 50% are not liking. You want to practice all questions. If you follow my videos part 1 and part 2, these two videos if you followed, you can get at least tomorrow 90 plus marks. I can definitely show you till I think is 8 9 questions is there. Half of it of on half of it also the question also ask. You just before this also practice. If you practice one questions, you will know how to do all questions. Yeah, all of it there are 4 questions. Semiconductors 8 questions are there. You all practice of these questions. And also don't forget to practice the derivation. Derivations are more important to pass. If you want just to pass, if you're feeling difficult, just comment 35 plus marks want. You just comment like that. I will upload a video before the exam. Let's see the answers of this. Hey guys, up to now who are not subscribed, please subscribe and like, subscribe and share to your friends. That's it for videos. If you have any doubts, you can comment in below or you can join in Telegram. I will give in description link. You can join. Thank you guys. All the best for your exams.